Alright, so after a couple of practice attempts to refold the flag, we decided that it was too wrinkly, that it would go easier if we ironed it. So that's what we did. We just ran inside, ironed the flag, which is not a quick process. It's a very large piece of fabric. And after several more attempts at folding it, I think we've gotten it as close as possible as we're able to get it right now, with the perfect 1, 3, 5 spacing of the stars. So now is the time we're going to put, obviously there's plexi here, we're going to put the liners in place, and then we're going to put the flag in and the back on. So let's do that. The glass was just holding the plexi in place so it didn't fall out. I'll wipe down the inside quick. Make sure there's nothing to get stuck. The bottom one goes in. The bottom one's not as snug a fit because it's not held in as tension as the other ones. So it's actually got a little spring in it, which when you put the flag in, I think presses it down and kind of helps hold everything in place. Alright, so this is by no means a perfect fold, but it's as close as I think I am going to get it without a lot more folding. Lay it in like that. Sneak a look at how she looks in the front. Ah, came untucked. Take the back and lay it in place. And have some scrap piece of wood. We'll get some finish nails. All right, now with a couple quick finish nails, and a scrap piece of wood, and a vice grip. Alright, I got a little cleaning to do, but there it is. I think the other thing that I am going to do as well is I will make a little a base for this and inset all of the shell casings from the 21 gun salute at the funeral as well. So that'll be the final part, but for all intents and purposes this is done. I'll show you an update later. I hope you enjoyed this, and until next time.